Smooth. Yeah, look, sorry about that weird ass intro. It was already set up, so I just thought I'd just film it. So, but yeah, today, guys, I really want to talk to you about something that I've never spoken about before. Is Amazon FBA for you? You know, what's it all about? You know, obviously I'm not going to talk about too much about what it's about because I talk about that in pretty much every other video in this channel. If you don't know what FBA is, it's fulfillment by Amazon. You send your stuff to the Amazon warehouse, you sell it, they ship it out for you. That's basically what Amazon FBA is. But I'm going to talk to you about, you know, if it's for you, you know, part-time stuff. Can you do it part-time? Would you do it full-time? You know, all that kind of thing. In my opinion, FBA is for everyone. You know, anyone could do it if you're looking to earn an income. And if you're in 2019, I really advise you to start looking at ways to earn, you know, an online income because the internet's so huge. I really think you guys need to start looking at online income if you haven't got one, you know, already. Whether that's Amazon FBA, whether that's Shopify, whether that's affiliate marketing, whether that's, you know, just anything, selling online on eBay, sell your stuff on eBay, you know, anything that starts getting a residual income online. That's what you guys really need to look for. There's no such thing, in my opinion, unless you're getting into real estate. There's no such thing as passive income. Everything takes work, in my opinion. You can't just be making money while sitting on a beach in the Bahamas or whatever you want to call it. There's no such thing like that, but it does take work. But there is, you know, there are plenty of ways that you can make residual income online. I had to put a jumper on, by the way, because it's actually freezing today. It doesn't get this cold, but I'm so glad. I love the cold weather. I've changed my mind. I was going to jump into my computer and show you guys just, you know, the boring old stuff. I type something out in the computer and then I show you this. But I'm going to do a different style of video, and I'm going to do it just in a different way to what I usually do. And I'm also going to be changing this to why I think you should get into Amazon as opposed to is it for you. So yeah, I'm going to do this video in a different style to what I usually do. So let's get straight into it. No computer, it's just going to be me, you, and the camera. All right, getting straight into it now. First question is, do you want to make an extra lot of income? Do you want income other than just your job? Do you want an income that can override your current job? Do you want to work your job? That's fine if you do, you can do it on the side. Do you want something that overtakes your income? You can do that too. Making an online income, like I said earlier in the video, is one of the biggest things. You know, if you haven't done it now in 2019, guys, what are you doing? You need to start earning an income, whether that's Amazon FBA or not. Make sure you're earning an income. I know I have friends that do it by selling stuff on eBay. They go to thrift stores, they go to secondhand places. They know what is trending because they've been doing it for a while. They pick it up on sale or on special to make sure that it's on special so they can maximize their profits. They put it on what it sells for on eBay, a competitive price, and they sell it. They keep the profit. You know, they send it to their customer themselves. They keep the profit. They keep doing that every single day. You know, I'm pretty sure they're working at least six, you know, maybe 7 days a week, and they're just looking for deals. And they're posting it on eBay, and they are keeping their profits. They are working hard at it. But just make sure that you have an online income. Make sure that you're not relying on one income. So if you want to earn extra income, whether that's doing Amazon FBA or something else part-time, doesn't have to be full-time. If that is something that you're looking into, maybe Amazon FBA could be for you. So that's point one. Guys, point two, do you want to be your own boss? Well, yeah, if you want to be your own boss, Amazon FBA really does that for you. Now, I'm like crouching down here, yeah, I know, but I just wanted to make this different. Guys, if you want to be your own boss, whether you're doing Amazon FBA or whether you're doing something else online, you can be your own boss, and that means you can work the hours that you want. You don't have to listen to a boss. Even if you do this part-time, you can start doing it part-time. You can start doing an online business part-time. I'm going to make this about not just Amazon FBA, but also just online business as a whole, because you can be your own boss on online business, and you can even hire people. You can hire virtual assistants, you know, VAs, as they call them. You can hire them, and you don't have to listen to a boss. Now, yes, you can do this part-time. Now, while you're doing it part-time, you can act like your own boss as well. You need to get into this mindset. If you don't want to work for other people, you need to start acting like a CEO. You need to start acting like your own boss. You need to start acting like you're the one in charge. You need to put all these, you know, things that are usually dependent on your boss, put them on yourself. Make sure everything is your fault. Make sure that you're blaming yourself. Make sure that you're not blaming others. Act like a boss. And if you want to be your own boss, guys, Amazon FBA and online business is for you. So that is point number two. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's just, you know, protein and stuff. Don't worry about it. So, yeah, point number three. Do you not like talking to people? You're a bit socially awkward, you don't really like doing stuff face to face? Well guys, when I let you guys know that Amazon FBA, as like a lot of other businesses online, you don't really have to talk to people face to face. The most you have to do when it comes to Amazon FBA at least is you have to talk to people through email. You have to text people through virtual chat. That's all you have to do. So if you don't like talking to people, that is the third point I'm going to say. Online business is a magical gateway. If you don't like talking to people face to face, the majority of stuff you're dealing with and how you make money and everything like that is done all electronically, all through email, so you don't have to talk to people face to face if you are the socially awkward kind. So that is point number 3.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, I'll let you out soon.
Yeah, I know, dogs, am I right? Am I right? This is the washing machine goes. Guys, point number 4 is it has never been easier to create a small business than in 2019. It is so easy to create. Now, yes, it's going to take time. Yes, you're going to have to learn the steps, but guys, like building an online business, building a small business as just a sole trader where you don't have to hire anyone, it's never been easier than it is in 2019. So whether you're doing Amazon FBA, whether you're doing any type of online venture, I'm begging you, just start doing it. Whether that's through my course, whether it's not even on Amazon FBA, just get started. And there's so many people out there that can help you. What I would do is attach yourself to someone who has done it before and ask for as much help as you can, and just get as much information as you can before you get started. But guys, the biggest part of this is just to get started. So that's my first point. Number 4, it's never been easier to start a small business or an online business than it is in 2019, or coming into the future. It has never been easier. Wait, hello? You guys are in my pocket now? Okay. Look, number 5 is, I know that you guys want more freedom than what you have right now. And coming into that's because you need more money than what you currently have to have the freedom. Now, not only that, online business gives you the freedom of time. It's not just the freedom of just money. And look,
Bella, what are you doing?
it's not just the freedom of time, but it's also the freedom of having that extra money as well. And online business can do that for you. Whether it's Amazon FBA, you can really start to automate things. Now, I know I said there's no such thing as passive income, but there is stuff as more automation. Now, when it comes to online business, you don't always have to currently be at work or working to be making money. That's why people get this idea of passive income. Now, you still need to work. There's no such thing as passive income. But, if you're working, say, for $18 an hour doing a retail job, or doing a stacking boxes or anything like that, doing that kind of job, you don't have to be at your current job to make that $18 an hour. You can be, that's why it's more freedom of time. You can be, say you can be doing your current job while making extra money, or you can be sleeping, technically can be sleeping. Someone can buy one of your products, bang, that's $20 you've made while you've been sleeping. That is another reason why, it gives you time, it gives you freedom of time, and it gives you, more money to give yourself more freedom, so you can spend more time with your family, you can do more for your family, you can, spend more time doing things that you love, and you may even begin to love the whole process of doing an online business as well. So that is number 5. They are my 5 reasons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it might be a bit shorter than my usual videos, but if you have any other questions, definitely let me know. Hey, get out of the pool table. I had to start the video again because you guys hit in the pool table so it wouldn't focus. Anyway, guys, look, they're my 5 simple steps or 5 questions that I would be asking yourself as to whether or not you should start Amazon FBA, whether you should start an online business, whether you should start having a second income. In my opinion, you really need at least more than one income. You would need, I would say, try and aim to get 2 to 3 sources of income, because what happens if you lose your job? At least you've got another income or another 2 incomes there that will save you, if anything does happen. If you do lose your job, if you get injured, you can't work anymore, at least you've got that online income there as well. So apart from that, guys, they are sort of like the 5 things that I would keep in the back of my mind if you are looking at getting into Amazon FBA or online business. I know this isn't a very long video. I know it's a lot shorter than my other videos, but hope you got a lot of value out of it. And apart from that, guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night, wherever you're watching. See you guys in the next one. Whoop.